guys? Today's a new day. I finally got the K24 all-wheel drive project back in the shop. So as you can kind of see here, this thing is filthy. As you can see, it's been sitting outside in a shed, but I finally got it pushed back into my shop yesterday, and we'll get the lift set on it here in a second, get it lifted up. And so today, I'm kind of gonna go over some of the Hub City stuff that I got in the mail, and we'll start from there. All right, guys, so I got the Hub City stuff unboxed. As you can see here, we got the Hub City trailing arm kit, as well as the diff mount. Really nice product. Super happy with it. I got the subframe mount, the trailing arms, or I'm sorry, the lower control arms. They're beautiful. They're offset for the shop. And then we got the trailing arms. I elected to just do the regular bushings instead of the spherical bushings. Streetcar, yeah, streetcar. And shout out to Kenny over at Humble Performance. He's who I ordered this Hub City stuff from, and also shout out to Justin at Hub City. This is some good stuff, and really looking forward to getting it mounted up on the old car. So I'm gonna get the lift set on it real quick and get her up in the air. All right, so a couple things right off that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to pull the wheels off, get both of these wheels off here, and then I have some K-Sport lower control arms now, and an ASR subframe brace. So we're going to get all that out. As you can see, I do have dual Bosch 044 fuel pumps. These are just pre-filters that come off my sumped fuel tank, so I'll have to remove this fuel tank, and then we'll work on getting the stock lower, well, the control arms off, and then we'll reuse the existing brakes on the new trailing arms. Alright, so here you can see we got our first stock trailing arm out. Got all the brakes off of it too. So set this to the side and get this next one put in. Alright guys, so I had to drain the fuel tank. And so to do that, I still had my fuel lines run up here. I had to run them over this 5-gallon can. Put my jump box on the dual. Put my jump box on the dual 044 fuel pumps. As you can see, it's flowing pretty good. Alright. We're just gonna let that run and see how much fuel we can get out of this bad boy. Can number 2. We filled the first one up. I don't know how much fuel I had in the thing. This is the 85 though. So. Drain out what we can. Alright, so now that I got all the fuel out of it, I'm gonna take the fuel tank off and put it back on timeouts for that. Alright guys, so as you can tell from this video, there's an ideal way to remove the fuel tank, and then there's my way. Alright, so definitely the fuel tank coming down like it did is not ideal, but thankfully the tank was empty, and we was able to successfully get it out. So, and nothing got broke, so all is well. It would probably be beneficial if you had someone to help you remove the fuel tank. I don't always have that luxury around here. Actually, I probably never have the luxury of having some help. So, just learned a way to do things by myself, and that's how I've always done it. So, we'll keep on going. Man, this GoPro is terrible in this low lighting. But you can see I got the left side lower control arm on, as well as the trailing arm, and also have the subframe mounted at least on the left side. I did make the notch up here to clear the diff. Still got to get the diff from my buddy, but I have it lined up. As you can see, the fuel tank is out. That's my wiring for my fuel pumps. It's 2 10-gauge wires. Yeah, so I'm about to knock out the passenger side real quick. stuff was a little bit of a pain in the butt because this car had a little bit of rust. Not a ton of rust, but it's got some minor rust. Had a few bolts that are stuck in bushings and whatnot. But as you can see how that caliper is a little rusty looking. But I got the subframe mount on. Also got the lower control arms on. And so yeah, it came out pretty good. I stuck one axle in here. It's the CRV axle. Just stuck it in there and just messing around, and you see, came right on out of there. But yeah, I got the trailing arms on, as well as the lower control arms and the subframe mount. Yeah, came out pretty good. Got all my brakes back on, emergency brake, cables, all that jazz. So I gotta adjust the cable on this one a little bit. It's a little tight. Won't let it spin. But hey, I gotta put this bolt back in. This little stuff. Pretty gnarly though. So I got the car shoved back over here, and actually you can see that the motor and stuff's in it now. So it's been a little bit since I put that diff mount and stuff in. But I just didn't have a chance to update and post a video. So I'm just filming this outro for it real quick, and hopefully I'll be getting some more videos posted up pretty soon. Getting kind of excited about this stuff. So be looking for some more content coming out here in the near future, and appreciate you tuning in. Peace.